It is not the gift, but the thought that counts. You are a gift and a blessing to your students. You make each day a little brighter with your care and patience. Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. Welcome to my channel, and today's video is dedicated to all the teachers. So we'll make some DIY gifts for teachers. So to begin with, I'm taking a ceramic cup and I'm going to make some design with help of Shilpkar clay or air dry clay. This is a very nice gesture which you can give to your teachers. This can be used as a pen holder or simply for decoration as a memory. So first I am taking air dry clay and I have made some flowers out of it. I am pasting it with help of fabric glue, and once it is dry, I am going to color it using acrylic colors, and after it is dry, I am going to write a simple quote in the center of the cup with the help of 3D outliner and just leave it to dry. So here my first DIY Teachers Day gift is ready. Let's start with the second one. This is a fridge magnet. So now to start with, I have taken a cardboard and I am making a shape of a pencil, and in the center I am going to paste ice cream sticks, and then I am going to paint it with acrylic colors, and inside it I have written one quote with help of again a 3D outliner. You can use colors of your choice, and at the back side I have pasted a magnet. This can be used as a fridge magnet. So my second DIY gift fridge magnet is ready. So let's start with the third one. This is a gel candle. This is a very nice gesture which you can give to your teachers. It will brighten up their day. So I have simply taken a jar, empty glass jar, and I have filled gel candle, gel wax inside it, and I have also added some shells inside it, and outside I am writing a quote using a 3D outliner, and we'll just wait to let it dry. So my DIY candle is ready. Now with the fourth one, I'm making a pen stand using this old container. I'll just simply cut the container according to the size which I need, and I'll just spray white paint on it. After the paint is dry, I'm going to stick a few crayons colors on it with the help of a hot glue gun. You can also use a Fevicol or any strong glue. So this way I have all pasted the crayons. Once it is dry, I am going to add a ribbon in the center with a bow. And my fourth DIY gift is ready. So now coming to the fifth one, I have made a keychain using Shilpkar. I have made some charms out of it like pencil, board, an apple. So I'm going to add this to a keychain, and once it is dry I will paint it, and this my keychain is all ready to use. It can be used by your teachers, and it is a very nice gesture She will remember you every time she uses this keychain. Now I am coloring these charms and I will add it to keychain. So my fifth DIY gift is also ready. Now coming back to the sixth DIY, this I have used as a live plant. So I am adding jute sheet to it. I will just wrap the pot inside the jute sheet and I will decorate it using red ribbon, and this way I am going to stick it with help of hot glue gun. Red ribbon, and I've also added a plant inside it to give it a more personal thought. I've added one coat also inside the pot using ice cream stick and a cardboard piece, and I've written a quote on it thanking my teachers. So my sixth DIY gift is also ready. So I hope you will all like these 6 DIYs gift, and you will also try to make these gifts, and I hope you will like the video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel for more such DIYs. Thank you for watching.